Fire station, fire station, fire station. He's running out of water.
Oh, he just made it. Oh, he's gone deep.
She said. Can't you just like drive the bertha under the water and flatten him that way?
Oh, the Hummer's gone for a swim.
Ultra One, be advised, winds are picking up. Move to an extraction point.
Do you want to have a UAV?
Maybe.
He's
right behind you, Tiga.
In the area.
He's right behind you. Turn around.
Oh, of course he had a fucking... Oh, give me a tap, will ya?
Your payment was off.
Would he get you in?
Thanks.
Did he have a gun?
Of course he had a fucking water rat gun. Just automatic pistol.
Oh, what was that?
US Embassy key, cartel warehouse key. Sorry, I looted the bag.
You're
Sorry,
alright,
PT.
bro. You're alright. And a
Yeah,
tan
yeah.
plate. It's got some proxies in a muni box. And yeah, X13
Took
auto.
cash.